If you're struggling to get leads quickly, you're probably spending too much time on things that don't work, or at least don't work fast enough. So in this video, I'm breaking down the exact methods that will get you leads right now, and which lead generation strategies you should save for later. I'll show you what to focus on first to see results immediately, and what can wait until you've got that steady stream of customers. Now, we manage over 600 websites and get them leads every month, and we're going to show you the proven shortcuts to get you leads faster. And stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to put your time and energy first, and also avoid the common marketing traps local businesses make that gets them sitting around wondering if their work phone has been disconnected because they have no new customers calling them. First, what we're going to do is fully optimize our Google business listing. Now, if you're unfamiliar with what a Google business profile is, here's a quick example. If you Google roofers in London, you'll see the map pack with businesses ranking over there. Now, these are the Google business profiles of roofing companies in London. So you need to fully optimize your Google listings in order to show up here in the map pack. If you haven't claimed one already, the first step is to claim your listing. You also need to be located in the area you want to work from. So for example, if you're a roofer and you're based in London, you need to have a London address to show up in the map pack. Otherwise, it's nearly impossible. Now, in the description of this video, I've provided a full guide on how to optimize your Google business profile. So just click the link in the description and follow each step, and your business profile will be ranking in the map pack in no time. Now, the reason we're optimizing our Google business profile first is because it's going to link directly to the second step, which is running local service ads. So these are the local services you see at the top of the search results with the Google Guarantee badge. Currently, you can run local service ads for over 70 different types of business. As you can see, you've got things like dental, acupuncture, and other types of businesses. For home services, you've got everything from plumbers to electricians. And for professional services, you've got financial planners and much more. If your business falls under any of these categories, you should definitely be running local service ads. Now, the reason we optimize the Google business profile first is because local service ads pull data from the business listing. So you'll see that all the images, reviews, and other information come directly from the listing. Customers can't click through to your website. You're not paying for website clicks, you're paying for actual leads. When someone calls a number or sends a message, that counts as a lead, and Google only charges you when that lead comes through. We've got leads for as low as £10 to £15 per lead, and it can be a really cost-effective way to bring leads into your business. Plus, it's less risky because you're only paying for leads, not clicks. To set it up, just Google local service ads. Go to the top link and either call the contact number or click on the Get Started button. Now, all you have to do is follow the steps to get your business verified. And once you're verified, you can start running local service ads for your business. It's that simple. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is build a landing page. Now, you can get a landing page up pretty quickly, much faster than building a full website. So that's why we want to do it first. When you're building out your landing page, I recommend using Go High Level. It offers a 14-day free trial. And if you want an extended 30-day free trial, you can check the link in the description. You're going to log in to Go High Level, and from there, you can manage everything for your business, from email marketing campaigns, funnels, websites, everything. But for now, we'll head over to Sites, then click on New Funnel and select Template. Let's say you're a home service business. You'll type in home and choose a template that works for you. For example, let's say you're a boiler installer company. You can build a simple landing page using a template. Add your company logo, phone number, a picture of your team or business, and a strong call to action. You also want to put an irresistible offer on the landing page. Now, if you're stuck for ideas and don't know what offers and call to action to put on your landing page, just go to Google and search for Boiler Installers London. Here, you'll see a bunch of ads running. You can take inspiration from those ads and think about how you can create an offer that stands out even more. Once you come up with an offer, put it in the main headline. The key here is to make your offer so good that it's hard for people to say no. Then add reviews on your landing page, as this is going to help you build trust and credibility in your services. You can also include a frequently asked questions section, and remember to make the landing page simple to navigate. But the most important thing when running Google Ads to your landing page is having a compelling offer. Look at what your competitors are doing. Come up with something better and feature that prominently on your landing page. That's how you'll get people to engage and not leave the page without making an inquiry. Now, the next step is to run Google Ads to the landing page that we just built. So go to Google, type in Google Ads, click through to the top page, sign in, and start your campaign. First, we need to find high buyer intent keywords. Let's say, for example, you're a roofing company. You're going to type in keywords related to your service, things like roofer, roofing, roofing services, and roofing contractor. Then put in your biggest competitor's website link over here. So we'll go to Google and type in roofer in London. Skip past the ads and business listings and click on the first organic listing. Then copy and paste their website URL over here. After hitting enter, you'll see a list of different keywords people are searching for on Google. Go through these keywords and focus on the ones with high buyer intent. For example, keywords like near me are highly valuable because people are looking for a local roofer. Phrases like best roofing company London also show high buyer intent, as someone searching for that is likely ready to hire a professional roofing company. You want to avoid keywords that might cost you money but don't convert into inquiries. So that's going to be things like quality roofing, which may attract people searching for materials rather than services. Next, create a spreadsheet with a batch of high buyer intent keywords, filtering out the less valuable ones. When you're targeting these keywords, make sure you're optimizing for your specific location. For instance, since we're making this ad for a roofing company based in London, we'll change the search location to London. And now you can see all the relevant keywords and their search volume. Now these are high intent keywords and their cost per click is on the higher side as well. Now if we change the location to somewhere like Kent, you'll notice that the cost per click has decreased. So depending on where you are in the country, your cost per click will be different. Once you've identified the right keywords, set up the campaigns to drive traffic to your newly created landing page. The goal is to convert these clicks into leads, and a well-optimized campaign can have a conversion rate of about 15 to 30%. For example, if you're running ads at £5 per click and you get 10 clicks, that's £50 spent. If 1 to 3 of those clicks convert into leads, you're getting solid results. The next thing you want to do is build a website for your business. Now this is something you can do and go high level. Instead of going into funnels, you want to switch over to websites and click on new website. Then select do it from a template. Now search for home service and you'll see a website template like this one. And if you click on it, you'll notice it's quite similar to the landing page template, but this time it's for a full website. You can add your logo and it gives you better navigation for users to click through to different pages. This includes setting up contact pages and adding social media links. Essentially, it's a more complete setup than a simple landing page. You'll be able to put in your own details, your images, your testimonials, and even a video if you like. Plus, you've got a footer section that ties everything together nicely. This is really more of a fully built out website rather than just a landing page. Once you've added all your content, you're going to start optimizing it. You can put in titles, descriptions, and alt text for images. Go High Level is a simplified version of something like WordPress. It's a really good website builder and you can try it out with a 30-day free trial through the link in the description. Now the final step is to set up your social media accounts. For a local service business, you'll want to make sure you're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and depending on the type of business, I'd recommend adding LinkedIn in as well. Once you've set those up, start posting regularly. Whenever you complete a job, post about it on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and create a video for TikTok. Now video content is especially good for TikTok because that platform deals solely with video content, and so that is where it thrives. Let's say you're an electrician. You might think that there's not much content you can post, but trust me, there is. Just look up other electricians on TikTok and you'll see people posting videos of their work, breaking down the jobs they're doing, or even adding a bit of humor with memes. Some of these videos get millions of views. People love seeing the process behind the work, even for things like electrical jobs. So even if you think your work isn't content worthy, just document your day. Record short clips, add some commentary, and post it. You'll want to be consistently active across all 4 platforms. By this point, you're going to be building out a consistent content flow, which will really boost your presence. Once you've got your website set up, start regularly posting blogs on there as well. It's all part of a process that will help you dominate your local area and bring in leads consistently. And that's it. This is the exact step-by-step process you need to follow to start getting leads fast, and also what you should be doing as part of a long-term maintenance strategy for your business. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you got a lot out of the video. So our goal here is to help you generate the best quality leads so you can fill out your diary with more customers and grow your business. And that's it from me. And by the way, if lead generation is a problem for you right now, then there's a link in the description that will help you solve that problem in under 3 minutes. I want to say a big thank you again for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, please like and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section. We read and respond to all the comments we get. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.